Something strange keeps happening. The Fed keeps cutting rates, but Bitcoin and the markets are not surging higher. There's something strange going on underneath the surface. I'm going to reveal that to you today. I've taken a look at the liquidity pockets and all the time frames, and I found something very interesting. Make sure you catch this video so the market doesn't catch you with your pants down. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey, I'm Scott, and I've been a pro trader for 10 years. In these videos, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned so you don't have to learn the hard way. Remember to follow and share the channel, and also have your alerts on because I'm going to give you a lot of updates and you want to be the first to know. Taking a look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. Now, I alerted an FFA, that's the Financial Freedom Academy buy alert right here at about 83.8K. Okay, that trade is up nicely. Over $10,000 this trade has pumped. All right. Now, that said, what's going on now? Well, the Fed today is going to cut rates around 2 p.m. and then Jerome Powell is going to have his press conference afterwards. The algorithms are going to fire off tons of orders and you're going to get some volatility. Most likely, price is going to come up and it's going to tag this $98,000 level. That's a major level, probably around 2 p.m. or the market closed today around 4. Okay, so this is a major level, right around 98,000. Bitcoin has to break above and close above that level if you want to go higher. There's a lot of resistance there, okay? So let me dial things back for just a second. You have to see this. And let me go to this just naked chart here of Bitcoin, all right? There's some things brewing that you need to know about. All right, I'm going to keep this simple. Do you see the green moving average and the pink moving average? I'm actually going to remove those off of my chart and keep this very simple so we can see exactly what's going on here. When you take a look at the chart with everything removed off the chart, okay, what you're going to notice is this yellow line, okay? Now, notice how in the last bull market 2021, all right, notice how the yellow line was reclaimed by price and price surged up and put in a high, okay? Now, I'll never forget that because I was actually in Mexico out watching dolphins in the ocean that day, actually.
Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together.
At that high, okay? Now, I thought the market was going higher, and that's why I'm warning you now, essentially what to watch out for a market top. All right, this is what's going on underneath the surface. We had a breakdown. We closed below the yellow line. You see this? And we broke down lower and then rallied back up to the yellow line, rejecting, and then we dipped all the way down to put in our bear market low. Okay, you see this, right? Well, take a look. We broke above, we put in a slightly higher high. We consolidated below, we broke down, put in a move lower, and now we're about to rally up and tag. Right now, this is a moving average. So it's right around 106 to 108K. Keep that number in mind, okay? If you see Bitcoin put in this bear flag move like this, okay? It's essentially a bear flag. Let me show you what it looks like. You know, you're gonna get a flag that comes out like this, all right? And it's going to potentially look like this, and it's going to basically bear flag, reject at the yellow line, and then it's going to proceed to drop probably to tag this wick low at the very least eventually. I'm actually looking a little lower, like right around 37K, okay, sometime in 2026, 2027. That's what to watch out for. I'm not saying that's going to happen, not financial advice, manage your risk. What I'm saying is if you see rejection of this yellow line, the gig's up. Follow me because I'm going to show you what to look out for when we get there. All right, now, that said, in the meantime, we have something here, which is the SRSI cross-up, which could give us a nice rally. And when you go back and you look at this weekly chart with all the levels, all right, all the indicators, everything's on here. What you're looking for is a move from where I alerted the long in the Financial Freedom Academy, which you shouldn't miss, by the way. You should be in there. We have a lot of fun. We do live streams and live trading. Basically, price is going to go up and it's going to tag this 21 moving average yellow, right? And I cleaned that up on the other chart to show you. Right now, it's about 108. So the levels are 107, 108, down here to like 103.5 if this moves down lower. So ultimately, we're going to get some choppy price action, a move up to test that 21 moving average. And that is the only thing right now that matters on the chart, okay? We're just gonna keep it very simple. We're watching this 21 moving average like a hawk to see if Bitcoin can get back above, all right? Not a lot of people are talking about this, okay? So make sure you follow. I'll keep you up to date, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Are you still late to every pump? Make sure you follow Crypto Bro Alerts on X and check out the free email list inside the FFA. Link in the description.